Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the HyperX to at least 50% and unlock your iPhone so Bluetooth is ready. Press and hold the headset power button to enter pairing mode. Watch the LED blink. At the same time, plug the USB dongle into an adapter for your iPhone if needed. Make sure the dongle is seated firmly. This establishes the hardware link. Once done, keep devices within 1 meter so signals remain strong during the next steps. Now you'll perform the actual pairing on the iPhone. Open Settings, tap Bluetooth, and look for HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 in the Other Devices list. Tap it. You may see a prompt. Accept it. The phone negotiates profiles so audio and mic work. If the USB dongle is connected through a Lightning adapter, make sure the iPhone shows an external audio accessory. If not, unplug and reinsert the adapter firmly. Keep checking the headset LED to confirm a stable connection. Finish by verifying both sound and microphone. Play music, then record a voice memo to confirm input levels. If audio doesn't route automatically, open Control Center and choose the HyperX headset as the output. Adjust volume on the headset and in iOS for balance. If pairing fails, reset the headset by holding the power button for 10 seconds, power cycle the dongle, and repeat the pairing steps. This clears stale connections and usually resolves radio or profile conflicts. Then try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.